Just installed a 600,000 BTU NTI boiler, as you can see over here. Here's your primary loop. Goes back right into the boiler. Secondary loop. I'll just zoom out so you can see more clearly. I should have, let me see if I can zoom out like this, right here. So yeah, here's your secondary loop. It's going to your spa up there and your pool. That's the heat exchanger. And it's clearly labeled pool in, spa out, pool out, and spa in. Here's your control. On off for your boiler, for your pump, expansion tank, and this is where the water feeds into the boiler system. This is not zero, by the way. It has gone beyond the pressure. It's basically above 60 psi. You can see it's hitting the back of it. So, and over here we're maintaining closer to 30 psi. And if you look at the venting, this is the really cool part. The intake is in ABS and the venting is in CPVC. Goes into this room. And out through that wall over there. It's a little noisy in here.